welcome back in the kitchen. It's you and you and you. So please don't go anywhere. Stay right there. This recipe is going to be a smoothie recipe, and it's really simple. It's really a nice recipe. It's just very smoothie, and if you're at home and you feel for a nice lovely drink, this is a smoothie or something, you just feel for something different, this is what you can try at home. Alright, I have some ripe banana, and also I have some chocolate powder, the hot chocolate powder. You know, when you go, you can use hot chocolate powder, and you can get that anywhere to buy. You know what I mean? The recipe, you know, I have the recipe, and I said to myself, you know what, man, we have to do this recipe. People want to do something different. A lot of people try to cut away from certain kind of things. I want to do something really authentic. I have some whole milk. You can use skim milk. You can use whatever milk you like to use to make your smoothie at home. So I'm going to give you a simple little recipe. So first thing what you're going to need to do, I have some double ripe banana, that's one of the main thing is the ripe banana. And I'm going to be breaking off my banana and put it straight inside of my smoothie blender. I don't know what kind of smoothie blender you've been using at home, but if you have a very good one, it's very better for you to use. Lovely. So I'm going to be using 2 fingers of double ripe banana. Very ripe, very. A lot of people doesn't like ripe banana. A lot of people are allergic to ripe banana. And a lot of people being allergic to certain things. And I'm going to be getting 2 tablespoons of the hot chocolate powder, and I'm going to pop it straight inside of it like this. Nice one. So I'll put 2 tablespoons. If you want, you don't need to put sugar, honey, nothing else in it, because you want to keep it really healthy and really simple. Alright, then I'm going to get my milk, and I'm going to pour my milk inside of it like this. And I'm using almost 3/4 glass of a whole milk. And as I say, you can use your favorite milk what you like to use. And all I'm going to do is cover my smoothie blender, and I'm going to be blending this for roughly about 3 to 4 minutes. If you have a really fast ninja blender, it's even better. But I'm just using mine, which I have right here. You know what I mean? You can use your favorite blender what you like to use. You can use, as I said, double ripe banana is even better. And if you want to add a lot more ingredients to it, you can add a few more stuff to it. Like if you want to add, like, say you want to add, like, we already have the chocolate inside of it already. If you want to add some grated chocolate, if you want to add some ice cream, there's a lot more stuff you can put into it, but I'm keeping it very simple. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to be simple, blending this drink that you guys can enjoy it. Alright, lovely and nice. Nice and lovely. So basically it didn't take long to blend. It roughly take about 3 to 4 seconds because my Ninja blend, this blender is a very good blender, and you know it didn't take long to blend. So basically it's finished, and as you can see, very smooth. We all know the weather is a little bit cold at the moment. If you want to add some ice cream, ice, whatever you like to add to it, is all up to you. So what I'm going to do is just pour it straight inside of my glass like this. And as you can see, it's really amazing recipe. Look at that, lovely. And then I'm going to put my straw inside of it like this. I got a few, you could put some cherry or whatever you like to put on it to bring up a lovely color, or a lovely, you know what I mean, it can look really nice. But I don't, you know what I mean, I have some raspberry, or if you want to have some strawberry or whatever you like. But as you can see, this is it right here, and it's so lovely and nice. I'm gonna give it a try. It is amazing recipe, guys. So the smoothie is just something different where you can try at home. Ripe banana with hot chocolate, and you know what I mean, you can put ice cream, you can put a lot more things inside of it if you like to do that, but I keep my one very simple, as you can see. So please enjoy the recipe, and remember, follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and don't forget